friends, welcome back to my channel Ikta Indians. Today I am presenting to you one of the most popular, extremely delicious sweet recipe, Malpua in Bengali style. Malpua is a famous dish which can be prepared for any occasion, served as dessert. Today I am sharing an easy recipe of Malpua which you can prepare in this Janmashtami very easily to make this occasion more colorful. So let's start the recipe. At first I take a saucepan and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I take 1 same measuring cup semolina. Then I take half same measuring cup sugar. Then I also take 1 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds, 1 cup grated coconut, and I take room temperature milk. Now I am going to add all the dry ingredients one by one into the saucepan and mix them very nicely. Then I am adding 1 pinch of salt into the saucepan and again I give it a good mix. After that I am adding room temperature milk into the saucepan slowly to make a thick batter. Here I use 2.5 cup milk to make a perfect thick batter and mix all the things very well and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. But you add milk as much as you required to make a perfect thick batter. Consistency of the batter must be just like this. Now I add grated coconut into the batter and mix it properly. This is totally optional. If you have not grated coconut, you can skip it. But grated coconut enhance the taste of Malpua. Well, and mix well the batter. This process is very important to make Malpua more tasty. Now I cover the saucepan with the lid and let it rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After that I am going to make sugar syrup. So I take a kadhai and add 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water together and start boiling on high flame. Then I am adding 3 to 4 crushed cardamoms into the pan and mix it nicely. If you make dry Malpua, then add 1 cup sugar into the batter. Now I boil it 5 to 6 minutes on high flame because I don't need a thick syrup. I need a sticky sugar syrup. After 5 to 6 minutes, I turn off the gas. Sugar syrup is ready now. Now I cover it with a lid and keep it aside. After 1 hour, I open the lid of the saucepan and add 1 tablespoon clarified butter, that is ghee, into the batter and give it a nice mix. Now I heated sufficient refined oil into a separate karai. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then turn the flame to low and add 1 spoonful of batter in the middle. The karai. When it starts floating, then I flip it very carefully to fry the other side. Fry the malpua in low flame till it turns golden brown both sides. Do not high the flame, otherwise it may burn. After fry the malpua both sides properly, I am going to take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Again I place 1 spoonful of batter in the middle of the karai. When it starts floating, then I flip it to fry the other side. When the both sides of malpua turn in golden brown, then I take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Now I am going to prepare all the malpuas one by one by using the whole batter, just following the same process. Now I prepare all the malpuas just like this. Again I put the sugar syrup karai on the gas and heat it little to make the sugar syrup lukewarm. Now I turn off the gas and put all the fried malpuas one by one into the lukewarm sugar syrup and keep them for a few minutes. Then I flip them. Now I take these malpuas from the pan and add another fried malpuas into the sugar syrup. Now the juicy malpuas are ready to serve. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and watching my video. It means a lot to me. I hope you like my today's famous mouth-watering malpua in Bengali style recipe very much, which I prepared in very simple and easy way and use the ingredients which are easily available at your home. You must try at your home to make this Janmashtami more delightful and colorful. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video for the betterment of my channel. It is really important to me. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.